Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can pin videos on TikTok. Now to begin the process with, you open the TikTok application on your mobile device, tap open the app. Once you open your app, you need to go to the profile section of yours. For that, tap on profile icon on the bottom right, tap on it. Once you're at your profile section, you open the video that you want to pin it on TikTok. Here you can see I have only one video that I have uploaded. Tap open the video. Then you tap on the three dotted horizontal line on the right side. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the options below you will see a option of pin. You tap on pin. Right after you tap on pin, that video will get pinned and that will be shown to your profile on the very top. There you can see the video has been changed as pinned on the TikTok. This is how you can easily pin a video on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.